Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. The first thing we need to graph about s equals to y squared. So we have like this. The next one, s equals to number 0. That is about this one. Y equals to number 1, that is this one. Y equals to number 2, that is this one. So the region we need to focus, that is this one. Now for this one, we can put the bounds go in here. So that is about the s. About the s, that is this one. So we can say that s between number 0 and y squared. So number 0 go in here, y squared go in here. dy, that should be from number 1 to number 2. The integration of this one for the s, that is about negative cosine of bs over y. Then they will divide by by, because in this one s, that is about variable y, just like the numbers. That's why we have this one in here. And then we put the bounds from 0 to y squared. Y squared I will put in here, number 0 go in here. So we have like this. Now we put by go to here. So we have negative y over b. And this one, y squared divided by y, we have cosine by plus y over b. Cosine of number 0, we have number 1. So we have yb. Now the integration of y, that is about y squared over 2. And then we put the bounds from number 1 to number 2. So we put number 2 go in here, number 1 go in here. This one we calculate and we have number 3 over 2b. Now we need to focus on this one. So for this one, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to negative y over b. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. dv, that is about cosine yb. The integration of this one, that is about v equals to 1 over b sine of yb in here. So we have u multiplied by v, so we have negative y over b, and we have another b, we have b squared in here, and sine of yb, and we put the bounds from number 1 to number 2 minus du multiplied by v. So this one negative and negative, we have positive. 1b with b, we have 1 over b squared. And we have the integration from number 1 to number 2, sine of yb dy. Now we put number 2 go in here, number 1 go in here. So you got number 0. Now for the next one, the integration of sine yb, that is about 1 over b with the negative cosine of yb. So we put the bound from number 1 to number 2. So we put number 2 go in here, number 1 go in here. So we have negative 1 over b and negative 1 over b. So we combine this one and we got negative number 2 over b to the power of 3. So after you got this one, we go back in here and here. And this one we have negative number 2 over b to the power of 3. And the second one we just calculate, that is about 3 over 2b. And here is the full answer of the questions.